Hey everybody, I want to get us set up for success for the Chapter 8 Hangman program. So what you're going to do is you're going to be on the Chapter 8 Hangman assignment, and you're going to go to where the file is located. You're going to click on the file, and then you're going to click on the download button, and you're going to save the file. This file then will go into the download folder. When you're trying to import this file, you want to be in AWS Cloud, and we want to upload a local file. And we're going to select the file from our downloads. And it goes in. So the reason that I gave you a starter file this time is because of a few things, and I'm going to go over that shortly. Okay. What I've given you is a list of hangman picks. So it has a starting hangman, then it has the head with the neck, the head with a left arm, a head with a right arm, a head with a left leg, a head with a right leg, and then you lose. And then it gives you the whole war list with the function of split. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding to this, and we're going to be running it a few times as we go along. So our first thing is we want to import the word random. Okay, so we know what that means. That's going to import the random math library. Okay, and then we're going to go all the way down to the very bottom. And we're going to start with some print statements. Okay, so let's show everybody what printing hangman picks 4 would look like. So I'm going to save this and run. And I'm going to move this screen so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see all at the same time. Move that over here. I'm going to close all these windows. Okay, so the fourth hangman would be, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And is that the right hangman? It is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment that out. So this is printing the 5th hangman picture. And that was just for a test. So now if I run this again, nothing shows up. Now let's print out the words list. So print, and then I'm going to put in here words, and we'll run that now. And it shows every single word that possibly can be chosen by this code. Okay, so these are all the possible hangman words that you're going to potentially pick. So this is all the hangman words that will be in the game. And I'm going to comment that out because we don't need that. All right, that's just to prove that it is working. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to have you guys create our very first function. So this is going to be function 1, and this is going to get a random word. All right, so we put in the definition, we get random word, and the parameter is going to be word list. And then this function returns a random string from the past list of strings. Okay. Now, this is going to be word index as the variable, and it's going to be a random.randint, and it's going to have 2 parameters. The first parameter is going to be 0 because we want to start at the 0 index of our word list, and then I'm going to use len, and we're going to be looking at the word list, and it's going to be outside of the parenthesis, inside of the rand int parenthesis, and that's going to be looking at the length of this whole word list. So if we count all these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So it's going to be going between 0 and 64. And it's going to select one of the random indexes, and that's what's going to be the random word. So we're going to return word list, and it's going to then be the word index. So what this means is when I call this, when I call get random word and I put in words right here, and I call this random word equals this, and then I print random word, the random animal will pop up. Okay? So that's to show so this line shows the method being called, and then this line is the variable being printed out. Okay, perfect. All right, so now I want to have the game actually started. So this is the game logic. The game logic is going to say the word print, and we're going to print HANGMAN. I'm going to save that, and we're going to print perfect, hangman. So we need a few variables here. So missed letters is going to be a blank string. Correct letters is going to be a blank string. Secret word is going to be get random word, and it's going to be words. So this is calling function 1, get random word. And then game is done is going to equal false. All right, so let's run this. So just hangman gets printed out. Now, to guarantee that we can continue working with this logic, you might want to print the secret word, just so you know what the word is. So let's run it. So the secret word is dog. The secret word is turtle. Now, remember, let's comment this out. Comment this out after you have all the code working. Okay, we're going to come back to that at a later date. Save. Okay. So now we're going to go to function 2. Function 2 is pretty long, and it involves a lot of parentheses. It involves a lot of methods, and involves a lot of parameters. So I'm going to go really slow when we create this function 2. Okay. So function 2. I'm going to stop the video right now, and we're going to take a little break. Make sure that you email me if you have any questions about part 1 of chapter 8, okay?